In the 2025 model year, both the Blackwing and regular CT5-V are getting updates inside and out, including new front fascias, 3 new colors, Typhoon Metallic Green, Rift Metallic Shiny Gray, and Deep Space Metallic Black, and a Blackwing-specific carbon fiber package with a new front lip for a more aggressive look. While the exterior changes are subtle, the interior undergoes significant alterations. The small, square infotainment display in the CT5 has been replaced by a massive 33-inch screen, similar to those found in the Lyriq, Escalade, and other Cadillac models. The Super Cruise hands-free highway driving system is now available on automatic CT5-Vs and Blackwings, along with Google built-in features like Maps and Assistant. On the performance front, the Blackwing now offers an updated performance data recorder providing driving tips and various track-related information. However, the drivetrains for both cars remain unchanged. The CT5-V is equipped with a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 producing 360 horsepower and 405 pound-feet of torque, paired exclusively with a 10-speed automatic transmission. The Blackwing retains its 6.2-liter V8, generating 668 horsepower and 659 pound-foot of torque with the assistance of a massive Roots supercharger. The 6-speed manual transmission option remains alongside the previously mentioned 10-speed automatic. Before the summer 2024 production start date, both cars are set to be unveiled to the public at the 24 Hours of Daytona, where Cadillac will be competing in the GTP class. The CT5-V Blackwing will also serve as the pace car for the 24-hour race.